How many cups for?
Copies tayo.
Wait, ayun na! Ayun na! Ano mo? Ay! Salit pa yung 7 over 8. Ikot na, ikot naman. Ikot.
Ano nangyayari dito yung red?
Ay, okay.
Pero
Kayo po, kayo mag-choose.
grabe rin tayo red sa photos. Actually, cute yung first four. Tapos parang puro hindi ready.
Yung last.
Ako gusto.
Yan. And this, and then this.
Yes.
Yan.
Okay. Yay! So, meron na tayong memories ng pagkagawa natin.
So pag naiinis tayo sa isa't isa,
Kasi balikan natin. Narinig natin yung tawa.
Kaalam-alam kung anong mangyayari.
Oo nga, no. So, ilalagay po ba natin siya dito? Or,
Dito sa gitna.
grabe, nabida-bida talaga tayo eh. Dahil, ayun.
Ayun. Galing.
Cute.
okay?
Okay?
Galing.
Siyempre, we're putting up a restaurant in Korea, so it has to be something na dapat ma-enjoy din nila.
Okay.
We have to showcase our cuisine.
Okay.
This is what we eat.
Okay. I think kailangan tayo matuto, no, ng panglasa nila.
So that we can adjust.
Oo.
Etong place daw po na to, popular siya. So nakikita ko na lang sila pag sa social media, pag sa mga chika ng mga friends, and nagkaroon pa ng parang Gamjatang craze. I wanna know what's Gamjatang.
Here? This one?
Yes, kasi sabi nila sobrang love yun ng Koreans in Philippines.
Or why don't we...
Try it.
I'm hungry. So,
Yeah. Ako rin, I'm hungry.
Ito na yung ano, start ng training natin.
Yeah. Then we can dissect it later.
Oh my science 101.
Yeah. I mean,
So shall we press the call button? Ladies, dapat may ganito tayo. Welcome to...
ano
Nag-is night natin!
Okay, wait. So, baka pa natin gawin yung sample.
Okay.
yeah. And the gamjatang.
Yun na lang.
Yeah?
May tatlong kind. Merong isa with Korean, may traditional Korean kimchi, then the other one naman is mala.
I think ito yung may heart.
Oh my God, dapat sa menu, lagyan din natin ng something na
Yes.
it's our best seller.
Ganon.
Okay, so I think this is the best part.
Ang aga? It's happy hour.
Happy hour somewhere.
How about dishes that we want to serve?
Alright.
So what's our appetite?
Right. We have, because ang mga Koreans, they're ma-appetizer. So, before we serve the main dish, there's got to be an appetizer. That's
Like a side dish.
a side dish. Our own maliliit na side dish. Parang mga 45.
Okay.
Do you think Koreans would like yung pako sa amin? Kasi di ba may lips na sila?
Yes.
Pero mahirap doon mahanap.
I don't know. We'll find out. Or we can find something similar.
Side dish. You know what? I realized. Since mahilig sa sapitol, why don't we do yung mga purong mangga at sara?
Great idea.
That's
So,
good.
atsara.
Ayan na.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
ang
wow.
laki.
Ito yung Gamjatang.
Itong pork.
Mushroom.
Na-overwhelm ako at ano.
Yum. I really want to try that. Let's try it.
I'm gonna serve lang. Serve ko yung one of separate plate. Serve ko lang yun.
Pero siya pa soup.
You wanna go first?
Puno na yun.
Eto, magaling to si Judy on eyes on the prize.
Sumalambot.
Sorry.
Okay lang talaga.
Sorry. Here you go.
Pagka-compliment niya nung eyes on the prize, biglang nadumi na.
Listahan.
Sinabi ko ba yun or
Oo,
accident?
first time lang po.
So at least we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 restaurant names. Ay, para sa'yo. Oh, wait.
Ang ginagawa nila, ito yung pangkap ng kamay mo. Obviously. So, parang,
I-ref ko muna to. Nagagawa ko po ba? May nagagawa pa ba akong tama?
parang mali.
Dapat po ba yung laman yung nagugupit? Hindi, mali. Everything is wrong.
Tama.
Ano ba?
Tinidor na lang.
Tinidor na.
Then yun, parang i-spread mo lang.
Okay po. Let's try it.
It falls off the bone. The pork neck.
Because nilaga talaga siya ng matagal.
Malambot.
So you can taste the pork neck flavor in the broth. Appetizer, soup is sinigang.
Tinidor na. Here we have achara, adobong quail egg, kangkong with leaf, and then mushroom salpicao, and then I just put here burong mangga.
That we give for free. That's what you said. The one you enumerated. Serve it with this.
Instead of a sweet chili.
That will mix. And then on the menu, noodles. We have to decide on a noodle dish.
What's the parang pinaka-popular noodle dish in the Philippines? Ano ba nangyayari? Sino mo niya mainit?
Akala ko sobrang spicy.
Okay, so we have pancit canton.
But you guys make pancit palabok.
Diyos pala po.
Okay, sige.
So, paano po nila yun?
Okay.
Sasawsaw?
Oo. So, ganun na. Wait.
Ayun.
Thank you.
Masarap nga siya.
I'm gonna try this. Okay. Ito pa isa. I think ha. So, para hindi masyadong yan. Okay.
Ito yung first time ko kakain ng kimchi. What? Spicy po ba yung kimchi?
Yeah.
Spicy pero kaya.
Okay. Then,
Paangal siya na paangal. Nakita na kita.
okay, wait. Appetizer, sana tayo.
We have achara, we have adobong quail, eggs, kangkong, deep fried kangkong.
So ito rin. Pag may naganit, if this happens in the restaurant, be calm. Because it will happen. So a kid or someone will spill their drink or something. So just be ready.
I'm always ready.
That's good.
I'm always ready, pero si Ate Judy.
Kaya manage. Started in a Korean restaurant in the Philippines. Of course, we have to have a story.
What's your story? What's a good story?
It's this.
That's not.
I mean, it can be anything.
Like how we started.
Yeah.
We have a lot of ideas.
At least may nakapag-start na tayo somewhere, diba?
It's a good start.
Parang the Koreans have parang shared with us their culture in terms of music, arts. So we can start with
Like
that.
where you're going. Okay.
And then we would also want to share something with them. So both cultures enter into this like beautiful cycle of sharing things.
And ours is through food
Yes, ours is
and through service,
service.
warmth.
Yes,
our hospitality.
because we're known for that.
Yeah. Okay. So I think we have ourselves a restaurant, except for the name and the location
Yes.
and the money and
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 the skills
everything.
for us.
Pero masasabi ko na ito yung first time na sobrang na-appreciate ko yung kinakain ko. Kasi, like I said, hindi ko talaga kinakain yung sushi before. Pero ngayon na tinry ko, masarap pala siya. Hindi lang pala siya yung na-judge ko kasi siya. I'm so sorry. Saka hindi ako, takot ako mag-try ng mga foods. Sobrang takot ako kasi,
I forget you.
parang, this is not me. This is the new Francine version 2.0. Yeah, adventurous,
Bolder and
fearless. Yun.
That's nice.
Yes!
Okay, cheers first. Cheers.
Cheers!
Our new restaurant.
Yeah. To new
Laki pala
beginning.
ng